Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale, here to share the December card kit. So the card kit comes out every other month, and it's a wonderful way to get some new product and be able to sit down and create cards to send out to friends and family. This month we're featuring Bo Bunny, Willow, and Sage, and it's this beautiful floral collection. You're just getting a lot of product this month. You're getting a stamp set, so that can go into your stash. That's a great value. Along with your card kit, you'll receive inspiration from the design team of cards they've created with recipes for you so you can create right along with them. So let's dig in. We're going to take a closer look at everything you're going to receive this month in the card kit. With your card kit, you're going to get 6 scored card bases and 6 envelopes, so that will get you started. And of course, we give you lots more product than that. So you're going to get 2 8.5 by 11 sheets of white cardstock, 1 sheet of black cardstock in the 8.5 by 11, and then a 12 by 12 pink cardstock. So that can give you more bases, or you can use them for the fronts of your cards. But that will get your kit going a lot further. For your pattern paper, again, this is Bo Bunny, Willow, and Sage. So this is the 6 by 8 paper pad. These are one-sided, so each one of these, there's just 1 sheet of. This is like half the pack of the paper pad. So we have these gorgeous florals in the pink and the yellow. Some pink. I'll just flip through these really quick, but it's just gorgeous colors. A little polka dot, a little watercolor type background, some smaller pansy looking flowers, the roses, and you're going to see little bits of purple in this collection as well. This peachy pink, stripes, another floral design. That's kind of like a hydrangea in the blue and the green, a leaf print in green, those hydrangeas again in a larger print, petals, green striped, pink, more leaves. And then there you'll see that purple show up. So that is the paper pad. So you can see you have tons and tons of paper. For your embellishments, you're going to get a 6 by 12 sticker sheet. So all of the embellishments will vary, but this is the one that I got. So there's a long border, a little wreath says life is good. Lots of options there. The stamp set. So the happy day and thinking of you are separate, so you can mix those in the different designs. And then we have a square design of the florals and a circle. So you can use those in combination with your stickers. You're also going to get some sequins. So the ones that I got are these pink little florals, super cute. Also a roll of washi tape, and again, this will vary, but I got that pink design there. So that is this month's card kit. I know you're going to have so much fun creating cards to send to friends and family. So be sure to join us over on the Facebook group and the blog and share what you create. Also check out what the design team has created with their card kit for inspiration. And we want to thank you so much for watching and subscribing, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kids.